How to create Agoda account. First of all, open the Agoda app from your device. On the main screen, you will see the option to sign in or create an account. To create an account, enter your email address in the email field and then tap continue. After that, enter your first name and last name, then hit continue again. After registering, Agoda will send you an email with a one-time password. Open your inbox, locate the email from Agoda and enter the OTP in the app to continue. Then tap continue to confirm your account. This step helps keep your booking secure and your account safe. After this, you have successfully created your account. You will then be asked to enable notifications. Choose according to your preference. Enabling notifications allows you to get updates on exclusive hotel discount and travel offers. Having an account also allows you to track your reservation, save your favorite hotels, and access Agoda rewards for discount on future bookings. Now you know how to create an Agoda account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.